Hi, it's Glenn Thompson here, a sales associate at Country Chevrolet, with the exciting edition of our Pick of the Week. Today, I'm going to go over the exciting features of the all-new 2019 Silverado Black Widow Edition as we look at the factory and customized options that make this truck truly exceptional. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's start with the basics. The base of this custom truck is the brand new RST model, or Rally Sport truck. This gains you a few features to include the LED headlights and running lights, color match painted bumpers, to name a few. As the SCA Performance Black Widow, this truck has been professionally outfitted with a warranty-backed custom package that sets this truck apart. Custom upgrades include this 6-inch SCA suspension lift kit, 20-inch Black Widow black alloy wheels with a machine lift, which are then wrapped in this smooth yet rugged BF Goodrich tires, premium SCA brake calipers, performance Black Widow exhaust, wide style fender flares, SCA hood vents, and more. On the inside, the Black Widow Performance package includes custom stitched leather, satin interior accents, and more. So come check out this amazing SCA Performance Black Widow Edition truck, currently available at our store in 3 colors. But hurry up, quantities are limited. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Country Chevrolet, where big city selection and savings meet small town hospitality. We'll see you soon.